Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling in the book of Colossians, chapter 3, verse 17, and I'd just like to read that for you. It says, "And whatever you do, whether in word or deed, do it all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him." So I really love this verse. It just reminds us that we need to be thankful. And of course, this week is Thanksgiving. Tomorrow, happy Thanksgiving to you all. I really appreciate and I am thankful that you have come to watch my channel. And I just want to say thank you, and also just thank God for everything that He's given to me in my life. And so what I want to do on this page is, of course, pumpkins are a really big part of my Thanksgiving season. Everything pumpkin. I love pumpkin lattes, pumpkin pie, pumpkin creamer, pumpkin cereal, anything like that. I'm a pumpkin fanatic. So I'm going to draw a pumpkin here with some leaves, and then just write "Be Thankful" up at the top. And I'm going to use my watercolors and just kind of outline it with the black. And so, yeah, just if you want to follow along with me, you can. And we'll go ahead and get this started. So here's how it turned out. I'm really glad that I decided to do this across the top, because when I wrote that in there, it just didn't look that great. And so, yeah, but I think it turned out really good. I decided to add a little bit of like a turquoise color just to make it have more dimension and not just be all orange. So hopefully you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Have a happy Thanksgiving, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.